Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how we can add text to any road using Photoshop in a completely natural way. So let's get started. Alright, write any text you'd like to place on the road. Right-click on the thumbnail of the text layer, select Pixels next. Head to Edit and copy the object. Press Ctrl+N+A+D to deselect. Hide this layer and add a new layer. Now, go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Here, we'll add perspective lines to position our text inside. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe for more graphic design videos. Press Ctrl+V to paste our copied text. Press Ctrl+P+F4 transforming the text and adjust it according to the direction. Then press OK. Now back to the layer panel, select the FX menu and go to Blending Options. Adjust the sliders like this to give it a more natural look. Then press OK. And this is our final view. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.